I'm currently laying on boxes. Got 4 chairs, a grill, a patio table, Hannah's dresser, an umbrella, and I'm laying on top of it.
Cinnamon rolls.
Yeah, there's some cinnamon rolls down there somewhere. Yeah, look, there's some cinnamon rolls down there.
Not turn green.
This is great.
I'm terrified.
Look, I'm just laying down in the trunk on top of boxes. And look at this. This is real comfortable. Real comfortable. Then we gotta build all this crap. Here we go. Video of the ride home, where we're gonna build all this crap.
Dad's hanging up my LED light.
There's Hannah.
Yeah, Dad's gonna hang up my LED lights I got for Easter. Watch the Easter vlog.
Yeah.
I got to come last after we leave your.
I'm fully unload me from the trunk. Okay, I need to get out. Oh, okay. Oh, oh. Wow. Well, so here we go. Yeah.
I'll get a candle.
I'll go get that box. Just grab that. Put it up there.
Well, it's up there.
There you go.
Here we go.
That's what her daddy.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay.
Dad, don't break my TV.
How did this happen?
I don't know.
Radioactive. Radioactive. Yeah, just get everything off. off so you don't break
Move everything.
Yeah, that's
Doesn't matter if we break it. There we go.
You need me to move?
It don't matter if we break it. I think it's already broken. This one is. I bumped up the drawer.
That one will come out nice and easy. But you need to move the toy box to get that very bottom.
We're
toy.
aware. Yeah.
So yeah.
Take away. Yeah, okay. Put the drawers here. That's good. Good. Right now we gotta move the toy box. Probably just need to move the dresser. Just here. Just yeah, move the toy box and then move the dresser. Okay.
I'll also go through that because there might be something in there I want to keep. Probably not much though.
Alright, we'll set it here. Okay. Set that on top of it.
Oh, this
Look out, man.
one. Sorry.
Okay, now we got a hollow dresser.
2 pounds of dust.
Shit back
I know, I'm going.
here too. Okay, push your end to me. Push? Yep, like that. Grab it.
Destruction.
Grab the bottom. How we doing?
I don't know. Destruction in me. Ooh, that sounded. Goodbye, broken thing.
Ow, why is so much? Alright. Just get it right to here. That's good. I can get it from there.
Trash. Keep. Trash. Keep. Trash.
There you go.
Trash.
Boom. Boom. Dresser.
Nice.
There are 18 different animal shapes in the Animal Cracker cookies. Animal Crackers Cookie Zoo.
I'm sorry, what?
Like elephant,
There's
lion, polar
18
bear.
different animal crackers. Oh, here, there's a second.
What's going on over there?
Dust.
Get away. Wait, eat in here.
Dust somewhere.
Like getting your eye here?
No.
What is that?
I don't know. We better not touch me.
Oh no, no.
So why not?
Where did that dust come from?
It's up to you.
Oh, this is weird.
Where did it come from?
I don't know.
No, I did so
I'm
stupid.
cold, guys.
It's not warm enough to eat out
It's
here.
not warm enough yet. This is really nice though.
Abort.
It tells you what the corner when it is.
It's cold, abort. Alright, so it's too cold to eat out there right now, so on a warmer day we'll grill out there. we'll eventually we'll grill something out there and we'll eat it out there when it's warmer, so stay tuned for that.
It's not gonna move.
I don't know what I'm doing. Here, take these.
Oh, little shell. Shell action there.
Beautiful.
Alright, so you guys just saw that we got some new patio furniture for the deck, a new grill for the deck, new thing for Hannah, a new lawnmower, and in the midst of all that, we also got a new car that I'm currently sitting in. And because we were waiting for a nice day to grill on the deck, and it was either cold or raining, so we finally got a nice day to eat out there. And in the midst of all that, we got a new car, just the cherry on top. So I was gonna give you a quick little tour, and yeah.